Just be more careful next time.
We're playing our videos, my videos.
You'll have a lot next time. There are a lot of folks lining
The 28th
in L.A.
of April, 2011. And they decided to taunt with that fire alarm going off. It's interactive street justice. Someone out there getting both video and audio from a distance will witness those who were playing with high-tech toys just now, sounding that fire alarm. As they get excrement in their ears because of the fire alarm, and excrement in their nose as they have those two things that cause them problems removed, as well as a knuckle. That's a promise from the one and only John Milton Brady. A whole lot of folks found out about promises yesterday. More and more every day. Give me my money.
I swear these guys are as amateur as
Look for hell on earth.
And Darnell gets a little choked up. He stops right there.